上开始流淌的都是冰河，看地上全部都是冰。
Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shekhar. In this video we can see the nature in China. Around 4:30 p.m. on June 4th 2026, Gu'an County in Hebei Province, North China was struck by a sudden and incredibly violent hailstorm.
这回可遭了灾了，这西瓜可都玩完了，全都。
Local residents reported that the intense storm lasted for nearly half an hour, dropping hails in the size of quail eggs. Due to this massive hail, the border northern China region has been announced by high alert region. Orange and yellow warnings are also issued in these areas. Watch the shocking footage captured by locals as the storm rolls through social media.
海边的鱼都打下来了，是吧？这大宝啊！
养老的松树，
还有那天儿。
风很大，边上的树枝都吹下来了。
赶鸭就在那里。
大。
哎呀，可惜了，我的绞盘坏了，不然的话我绞盘就给它拖一拖。
Okay friends, thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe.